Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. One of the great things about still having a parent or two alive is, if you're lucky, you can talk to them and get words of wisdom from them. You can turn to them for good advice. The other day I was chatting to my mum, who's in her late 70s now, and I was fretting slightly about an email I'd sent to someone that I was worried might be taken the wrong way. My mum very wisely let me moan a little bit and then said to me, well, there's no point dwelling on it, it's done, and what's done is done. Very good advice. If you dwell on things, you basically think and talk about them for a lot of the time. So maybe you might be a bit like me, and you might be the kind of person that does tend to dwell on things, and maybe the kind of person who holds grudges. Not a great thing, but there you go. Sometimes it's the way I am. Or maybe you're the kind of person who recognises that it's not good to dwell on things and that you should just let it go. Maybe you look back on past errors and you think, well, everybody makes mistakes. Best not dwell on it. Maybe you'll have noticed in older people in your family that as they get older, they start to dwell on the past a bit more, and they start to maybe talk a little bit more about the good old days and that kind of thing. And maybe in your country, you also have politicians who tend to dwell on the negative and always focus on negative things rather than offering any kind of vision of possible hope. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use dwell on.